second destination where it has three parts. The head, heart, and tail, and they will only get the heart because it is 20 minutes. And for the aging process, 3.5 years in an ex-bourbon barrel. Yes, sir, 3.5 years. And here are the four master blenders of the company. First is Don Bonifacio Lintuaco, the founder in 1852. He had two children, Ma'am Andrea and Sir Carlos. And the Chinese believe that the next person who will take over the company is the son. But unfortunately, Sir Carlos died, so we trained this first nephew, Don Lim Shai Sen, who took over the company. Don Lim Shai Sen trained this son as the purveyor of sport leather whiskey. First, James trained this son.
Mm.